Welcome to Beautyistic, where we dive deep into the world of beauty products to help you make informed decisions. Today, let's talk about something that promises to take your eyeliner game to the next level: the Lord & Berry Line Shade Eyeliner in Dark Black. Whether you're after a sharp wing or a subtle definition, this pencil aims to deliver with its ultra-blendable formula and rich pigmentation. So let's break it down and see if it lives up to the hype. This eye pencil is all about precision and intensity. The Lord & Berry Line Shade Eyeliner comes in a sleek 1.4 grams pencil with a deep, matte black finish, designed to contour both the lash line and waterline with ease. It's formulated to glide smoothly on the skin, offering an ultra-soft and blendable texture that promises to stay put all day. Ideal for creating both bold and soft looks, this pencil also boasts an intense color release, so you're not left with patchy or dull lines. I've used this liner during both my morning and evening routines, and I have to say, it performs beautifully. From the very first swipe, you can feel the creaminess as it glides across the skin without tugging. It's perfect for those who want a liner that's easy to apply without having to go over the same spot repeatedly. The color payoff is intense, just as promised, and it lasts without smudging, even during long hours of wear. However, I did notice that it could transfer a bit if you're working up a sweat, so keep that in mind if you're planning a long day out. The pencil's texture is a standout. It's soft enough to create that perfect smudged-out smoky eye look, but still firm enough to maintain precision when drawing sharp lines. The finish is matte, which I personally love, as it gives a more sophisticated, natural look compared to glossier formulas. Now, every product has its pros and cons. Let's start with the pros. The blendability and smooth texture are huge wins. Whether you're looking to create a crisp cat eye or a softer look, this pencil adapts easily. The dark black pigment is rich, and it doesn't fade throughout the day. So if you're after long-lasting color, this is definitely a product you can rely on. On the flip side, there are a couple of cons. While it's generally easy to apply, I found that it can sometimes build up in the corners of the eyes, especially if you have oily lids. Also, for those who prefer a more precise, sharp eyeliner, you might find that the pencil needs to be sharpened frequently to maintain that fine point. It's something to consider if you're looking for a low-maintenance liner. In terms of value for money, the Lord & Berry eyeliner is priced slightly higher than drugstore alternatives, but you're paying for that smooth, blendable texture and long-lasting wear. If you're someone who wears eyeliner every day and values quality, it's worth the investment. However, if you're just looking for something for occasional use, there are more affordable options out there that perform similarly. Comparing this liner to others on the market, it stacks up well in terms of performance. While it's not the cheapest, it delivers where it counts: rich pigmentation, ease of use, and blendability. Some drugstore brands offer similar finishes, but what sets this product apart is its soft, glide-on application, which can be a game changer for anyone struggling with harsher, drier pencils. As for build quality, the pencil is sturdy enough for daily use, but it does require sharpening, which can be a bit tedious. The sleek black packaging is chic and functional, though not overly luxurious for the price point. I would say this is more about performance than appearance, so it's not a deal breaker. If you're considering alternatives, products like the Maybelline New York Tattoo Studio Gel Pencil or NYX Professional Makeup Epic Ink Liner might be worth checking out. Both offer intense color and long-lasting formulas at a more affordable price point. Now, if you're wondering whether this product is right for you, I'd say it's a great option for anyone looking for a liner that blends well and offers long-lasting color. It's especially great for those with sensitive eyes or anyone who struggles with harder pencils. However, if you need something waterproof or more resistant to smudging, you might want to look into other formulas with more staying power. If you found this review helpful, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thanks for tuning in today. If you've tried the Lord & Berry Line Shade Eyeliner, drop a comment below and share your thoughts with us. We'd love to hear what you think. Until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.